Today is our annual meeting of the Domestic Violence Awareness Network. So these are all the folks inside and outside of government who are working every day to spread awareness of domestic violence, the problem, working on prevention, working on helping victims, working on reducing the incidence of this in our population. So we gather to review the year and maybe most importantly, plan the year ahead. We have two major focuses this year. And that is, one is a communications effort and one is a focus on housing. On communications, we are accelerating our Make the Call campaign. We launched this effort in the spring, and this is an effort to notify people of our domestic violence hotline. And so if you're a victim of domestic violence and you don't know what you should do or what help there might be, you can make the call and find out.
Last year, domestic violence hotlines here in Fairfax answered 2,400 calls for help, and there were over 1,600 calls for service from Fairfax County Police Department related to domestic violence. So we just want the community to know that services are here. We also offer services for people who have committed acts of domestic violence, who want to change and make their families safer and rehabilitate. So we have services available for everyone involved, and we want the community to know that we're here for them to access if they need that help.